डॉन हाई स्कूल पुरानी हवेली में यौम जमहूरिया तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया। बच्चों ने ड्रामे पेश किए। जनाब फजलुर खुर्रम ने मुखातिब किया।
डॉन हाई स्कूल पुरानी हवेली में यौम जमहूरिया तकरीब मुनक़िद हुई। असातिज़ा ने परचम कुशाई की रस्म अंजाम दी। बच्चों ने मुख्तलिफ अदाकारी ड्रामे पेश किए। डायरेक्टर डॉन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल जनाब फजलुर खुर्रम ने निगरानी की और उन्होंने अच्छा मुजाहरा करने वाले बच्चों को अगले हफ्ते इनामात देने का ऐलान किया। मोहम्मद राशिद हाशमी सीनियर सहाफ़ी ने भी मुखातिब किया।
No time was given, and just in one day you have done, and for that I am very happy. We'll keep a prize distribution ceremony. Every single child who has taken part will be getting the prize next week. One thing. Secondly, we'll keep some presentations on that day. Now you will be getting almost 1 week to present some English dramas and some reading presentation or robotics or some poems from your book, especially English poems, English dramas next week. Okay? And the nursery kids should present ABCD, what we have put in their computers, 1, 2, 3 correctly with British accent, and the tables. So next week we'll be keeping this one, but what you have done in shortest notice, not a shortest, without a delay you have done much, but next program, fix up the dates, and I'll be talking on the dates and the program on Monday. Okay, so tomorrow actually I am somewhere else, somewhere boys.